Hello, and welcome to our channel Edulancer, where we explore the world of education. Learning objectives are statements that describe what students should be able to do or understand as a result of a lesson. They serve as the foundation for effective lesson planning and provide clarity on what teachers want students to achieve. By establishing clear and specific learning objectives, teachers can guide the instructional process and help students stay focused on what they need to learn. Learning objectives also help teachers assess student progress and determine whether the instructional strategies used are effective in achieving the intended learning outcomes. When designing learning objectives, it is essential to ensure that they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This is commonly referred to as the SMART framework. For instance, a SMART learning objective could be, by the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify 3 types of clouds and describe their characteristics. In conclusion, learning objectives are a crucial component of effective lesson planning. They provide a clear direction for both teachers and students and help to ensure that learning is focused, relevant, and measurable. So, if you're a teacher, make sure to always start your lesson planning process by setting clear and specific learning objectives. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.